Well, children, seem to have failed biology class and have wound up here, all because you have failed your mitosis test. What a shame! Well, you're in luck today because we're going to turn that F into an A because you're learning about mitosis today. You're going to get A plus. Today, we are learning about mitosis. But first, I'll need your undivided attention. But first, back to the weather with Bob. Bob?
Now, Jim, if you can see behind me, it's about, 3:37 in the afternoon, and it's dry. Jim?
Thank you, Bob, for that explanation. Now, children, let's get down to business and split. Mitosis is a type of cell division in which one cell divides to produce two new cells that are genetically identical to itself. The goal, just like a game of football, you kick it and they yell, "Goal!" of mitosis is to make sure that each daughter cell gets a perfect set of chromosomes. Mitosis consists of 4 basic units: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. These can be remembered by the famous mnemonic, "Please pee on the mat." Ho, made that up myself, but don't get too hung up on names. In early prophase, the cell starts to break down some structures and build up others, setting the stage for division of the chromosomes. The chromosomes start to condense. The nuclear envelope, just like a little mail letter, breaks down and the chromosomes are fully condensed. So you see, now in metaphase, the spindle has captured all the chromosomes and lined them in the middle of the cell, ready to divide. All the chromosomes align at the metaphase plate before proceeding to anaphase. The cell will check to make sure that all the chromosomes are at the metaphase plate. If a chromosome is not properly aligned or attached, the cell will halt and destroy everything in the body. I'm just messing with you. I'll make sure you're paying attention. If a chromosome is not properly aligned or attached, the cell will halt division until the problem is fixed. In anaphase, the cell chromatids separate from each other, which are pulled towards the opposite ends of the cell. The protein glue that holds the sister chromatids together is broken down, allowing them to separate. Just like my girlfriend last week. It's okay. Each is now its own chromosome. The chromosomes of each pair are pulled towards opposite ends of the cell. In telophase, the almost last part of this, the cell is nearly done dividing and it starts to reestablish its normal structures. A cytokinesis takes place. 2 nuclei form, one each set of chromosomes. Nuclear membranes and nucleoli reappear. The chromosomes begin to decondense and turn into their silly string form, which I like to call it that because I can remember it that way. In cytokinesis, the division of the cytoplasm to form 2 new cells overlaps with the final stages of mitosis. It may start in either anaphase or telophase, depending on the cell, and finishes shortly after telophase. A structure that is called cell plate forms down the middle of the cell, splitting it into 2 daughter cells, separated by a new wall. The daughter cells can now begin their own cellular lives as their parents kick them out the window on their way to college. Cheerio, goodbye, get out of my life forever. That's what they'll say. And depending on what they decide to be when they grow up, they may undergo mitosis themselves, repeating the cycle again. Thank you for listening, children. I hope you enjoy. What, children? What? 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 This John gonna be lit. So, children, you've been meaning to tell me that I've been explaining everything this whole time, and you haven't been listening. You're going to do the miles of homework. Anywho, sorry about that. We'll get back to you. FlabJabs signing out for now. We'll be back in a few moments. Don't forget to butter those pancakes, like the video, subscribe, and do everything else. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!